freedom, justice, equality. These are more than just abstract thoughts. These are ideals to live by. These are luxuries that we now enjoy in this country because people have sacrificed so much for us to have these luxuries that we now enjoy in this country. But what is sacrifice? Sacrifice is a topic that I know a lot about because I'm Ninja Attack Commando. What is Ninja Attack Commando? We fight for good, while many kids are playing soccer or hopscotch. I'm sharpening my jungle tactics. This gives me the edge. There are a variety of different tools that a Ninja Attack Commando uses. I brought in my energy lasso boomerang to show you. I think I did good. I thought you right away.
You're a moron.
It's a hard life. You never know when you're going to be attacked. You just have to be on your guard all the time. Sorry about that. Thought I heard some Bolsheviks mention this.
Are you some kind of idiot?
Could an idiot build this? Laser exploded bazooka. Ninja Attack Commando's greatest weapon against the unjust.
Hey, where do you think you're going? I asked where you were going. Where are you supposed to be anyway?
Ninja Attack Commando.
What is this supposed to be?
Laser exploded bazooka.
Hey, isn't that the little girl from your street? Let's rob her!
Evildoers. Justice begins now.
Striking Eagle!
Wow, how did you...
You bent the sight.